Good evening. So this is for daily attendance, okay, May 30th. And I will be uploading, if YouTube, is working, all right? I will be uploading this on May 29th, all right? Because it was Memorial Day today, that's when I'm recording this, on May 29th, and it's on Monday, then daily attendance will be for Tuesday, May 30th. And we will only have daily attendance one day this week because we already had Monday. And we already had Monday passed and it was a holiday. The other thing is that you have week 3 this week, which will be your midterm, okay? Let me state again, remember that your online class does not have a specific, sorry, having trouble with my braces, does not have a specific hours or dates, okay? I've mentioned this in several of my YouTube videos and in the welcome video. I have attendance on Monday and Tuesday because that way it frees up the rest of your week, okay? And so I will take those attendance and then use them to be able to take attendance because we're online. In addition to that, you will be getting credit for it. If you miss the attendance, I cannot reopen it and I cannot give you credit because you were either here or you weren't, okay? Not only that, but I allow for you all to basically get it in by like 5 o'clock on that day, okay? If I uploaded a day before, then you have a whole day and a half. And then you still have the opportunity to upload the screenshot a day later because I always leave it a day later, okay? So I don't want there to be any confusion on that. Attendance is Monday and Tuesday, even though in your schedule it says that you have class Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. We don't have class, okay? All your classes are YouTube and you can watch them anytime. So don't wait, don't assume that because you have attendance on Tuesday that you don't have to upload it. Besides, you already know anytime that you have something pending in terms of assignments, you're given like a status. You're told, I don't know if it's through email or whatever, but you're told that there's an assignment coming up, okay? So anyway, for the most part, most of you get it, okay? So this will be for attendance, for Tuesday, okay, which is May 30th. And that's it. We will not be having any other attendance for the rest of the week because it's already Tuesday and Monday was a holiday. So I hope that made sense, all right? We are very quickly in week 3, which is your midterm. You have midterms on the 31st, Thursday, that's Wednesday, and then Thursday 1st, and then Friday 2nd. We're going to start today, okay, which is Tuesday. All right, May 30th to start our midterm, okay? Your midterm is going to be your regular assignments like you usually have, and I will be putting timestamps. I will also be giving the assignment, but it's going to be a regular assignment. The only difference is that I will grade it as an exam, okay? So I will be grading your midterm as an exam, but it's going to be a regular assignment, all right? Remember that your assignments, okay, need to be in Word document. If you don't put it up in a Word document, I will not accept it. You will be having your midterm assignment due, okay, I think it's, let me check, 1, 2, 3, Thursday midnight, okay? You know that I usually give you 3 days to get it in. So Thursday, June 1st will be the due date for your assignment, all right? For your midterm, which is chapter 3 for everybody. The links are already up. The link also for daily attendance is up, okay? So if you have any questions, make sure that you reach out to me. I'm really good at responding almost immediately. And I will be on Tuesday, right, which is tomorrow for me because I'm uploading this on the 29th, okay, which is Monday. So on Tuesday, I will be in the library if you want to come and see me. It really helps because that way I can explain whatever it is that you have issues with. Now, another thing. I guess I'll mention that when that class is. All right, so anyway, so here we go. So we're going to go to BC, Business Communication, Chapter 3, Business Communication A500 and A500 and 1. Okay, you're going to do business communication, chapter 3, communication challenges in a diverse global market. You go down to learning objectives checkup, which is at the end of the chapter that you have to read, chapter 3, and you will be doing objectives 3.1 through 3.5. Underneath those objectives are just like every other chapter. You're going to have specific questions there that you're going to be answering, okay? The total questions will be questions 1 through 18. So, learning objectives checkup, objective 3.1 through 3.5, and questions 1 through 18. Remember that you need to copy and paste your objectives, all right? And you will be copying and pasting your objectives, and you're also going to be copying and pasting your questions, and then you copy and paste the answer. You can either copy and paste all the answers because it's multiple choice, or you can just copy it and highlight the one that is appropriate, or you just copy and paste the answer, but the other stuff you need there, okay? So your choice. Now, I will be opening the links if you've missed any type of assignment, not your attendance, but if you missed any type of assignment, any type of chapter 1 or chapter 2, I will be opening up the links later on this week, possibly later after your midterm, so you won't have to worry about it. So stay tuned for that announcement, okay? Because I'm only going to open it one day. And so for those of you who missed it, or for those of you who sent me assignments, all right, and I told you to keep them, this is your cue, okay? So remember that this midterm is due on Thursday, June 1st, all right? So moving right along to English 133 A500 and English 133 A500 and 1, okay? You will be reading chapter 3, and the chapter is titled Looking for Specific Topic and General Main Ideas. At the end of the chapter, there's a test 1 and there's a test 2. Remember that you have to copy and paste it onto a Word document, your question, and you have to write in your answer, okay? That is for test 1 and test 2, and this time it's going to be graded as a test. So you will be doing chapter 3, looking for specific topic and general main ideas. You're going to read the whole chapter, and at the end of the chapter, you're going to do test 1 and test 2. You will be, your deadline is Thursday, June 1st, and I will also be, after that deadline, I will also be opening up the links to the assignments for chapter 1 and chapter 2 in case you've missed it, or for those of you who have gotten approved, you can upload it. But even if the ones that haven't gotten it approved, if you missed chapter 1 and chapter 2 for assignments, all right, I will be reopening that link. That does not include your attendance, okay? So make sure that you're up, that you're ready for the announcement, and you're ready for it, because I'll probably just do it one day and I'm only going to announce it once, okay? Very interesting on English 133, I had a student reach out to me, and with your prefixes and your suffixes and your root words that you guys are really learning, it is imperative that you really read the chapters. It will change your life as to how you will learn your medical terminology, okay? And it teaches you there on that. I will be doing a video on it, and I will be doing a Teams meeting after our midterm, okay? But it is mind-boggling, and it is such a breakthrough if you figure out how it is that the words are created and how they work, how your root words work, how your prefixes and your suffixes, because your prefixes can determine what, if you can't figure out the word, what the word is. An example is anti. Anything that is anti is against. So antihistamine, anticoagulant, and I'm not medical, so I don't know all the medical terms, but it is imperative that you pay attention to your chapter and you really review your chapters, because if there's anything, all right, that you will learn ever in your whole degree plan, it's going to be this class for English 133, because it will change the way you see and you learn your words, and it will really you will really optimize and really help you tremendously to learn all your medical terminology, okay? So moving right along to English 145 A501, You're going to read chapter 3, okay? And chapter 3 is finding subjects and verbs in simple sentences. Remember that this needs to be in a Word document, and all you have to do is copy and paste everything that's on there because all the answers are there, okay? So no, I don't want any, no complaints on that, all right? So you are going to have to do practice 1, practice 2, practice 3, practice 4, practice 5, and practice 6. All right, so let me say that again. Chapter 3 on a Word document, copy and paste it onto a Word document, title it, right? Put your name, put the chapter that you're doing, put what the homework title is, put my name, and week 3, which is your midterm. Remember that this will be graded as a test, and you will be doing finding subject and verbs in simple sentences, practice 1, practice 2, practice 3, practice 4, practice 5, and practice 6, and that is due Thursday, June 1st. I will be opening up chapter 1 and chapter 2 assignment links for week 1 and week 2 after midterm due date, so stay tuned for that announcement. So if you're missing those two, and it's not going to be for attendance, it's only going to be for assignments. If you are missing those, make sure that you stay tuned for it, because I'm only going to reopen it for a day. That does it. Namaste, love and light.